Crafting unique wooden jewelry, a creative journey. Why wooden jewelry? Wooden jewelry offers a unique charm that other materials simply can't match. The natural textures, grains, and colors of wood make each piece distinctive. Plus, working with wood allows for creativity and experimentation, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Materials you'll need to get started on your wooden jewelry making journey. Gather the following supplies. Wood. Choose a variety of woods like maple, cherry, or reclaimed wood for different colors and textures. Cutting tools. A scroll saw or jigsaw is essential for shaping your designs. Sandpaper. Necessary for smoothing edges and surfaces. Wood stain or paint adds color and protects your pieces. Drill. For creating holes for beads or clasps. Jewelry findings. Earring hooks, chains, and jump rings. Natural embellishments. Consider dried flowers, leaves, or resin for added flair. Step-by-step process. 1. Design your jewelry. Start with a sketch. Think about the type of jewelry you want to create: earrings, necklaces, or bracelets. Consider shapes that resonate with your style, such as leaves, geometric patterns, or abstract forms. 2. Cut the wood. Using your saw, carefully cut out your designs. If you're new to this, start with simple shapes. Take your time to ensure clean cuts, as this will make a big difference in the final product. 3. Sand and finish. Once your pieces are cut, use sandpaper to smooth all edges and surfaces. This step is crucial for comfort and aesthetics. After sanding, apply wood stain or paint to add color and protect your jewelry from wear. 4. Add unique touches. This is where your creativity shines. Consider embedding dried flowers, leaves, or using resin to fill shapes. These natural elements can enhance the beauty of your wooden jewelry and give it a personal touch. 5. Assemble your jewelry. Attach your findings to complete your creations. For earrings, use hooks. For necklaces, connect chains. Experiment with different combinations to create matching sets or standalone pieces. Tips for success: experiment. Don't be afraid to try different wood types and designs. Each combination can yield stunning results. Vintage inspiration. Incorporate vintage findings or design elements to give your jewelry a timeless feel. Practice patience. Take your time during each step. Crafting is as much about the process as it is about the final product. Experiment with different combinations to create matching sets or standalone pieces. Tips for success: experiment. Don't be afraid to try different wood types and designs. Each combination can yield stunning results. Vintage inspiration. Incorporate vintage findings or design elements to give your jewelry a timeless feel. Practice patience. Take your time during each step. Crafting is as much about the process as it is about the final product. Conclusion: crafting unique wooden jewelry is a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Not only do you get to create beautiful pieces, but you also connect with nature and express your artistic side. Whether you wear your creations or gift them to others, each piece tells a story and carries a piece of your creativity. We hope this blog inspires you to embark on your wooden jewelry making journey. Happy crafting!